Hello guys, now today we are going to study the next chapter, chapter number 31, Folk Dances of the World. Now, as you know that folk dances are performed in different countries all over the world. So here are some clues by which we can identify the folk dances. So see in our first clue, it is a dance which could be said to be a variation of the tango. Only the former being more relaxed, the roots of this dance go deep into the Argentine folklore. So, can you guess what is the name of this dance? So, we can say that its name is Milonga dance. Milonga folk dance, and this is famous of Argentina. Okay, so remember this, which is the famous folk dance of Argentina. So, it's Milonga. See number 2, it is the dance from South Africa that is performed by dancers wearing Wellingtons, a type of boot. This dance originated from the black miners and was their form of entertainment. The dance was formed when drumming was forbidden by the authorities, and hence the boots were used as the alternatives. So, what is the name of this folk dance? So its name is, by the boot we can identify, its name is gumboot dance, and this relates from South Africa. So what we can say that, what is the name of this folk dance? Gumboot dance of South Africa. Okay. See number third clue. Number third is, it is a folk dance hailing from Turkey's eastern, southeastern and central Anatolia regions. It is extremely popular and engaging dance of the country, which is accompanied by equally rich music and instruments. So, what is the name of this folk dance? So, actually this belongs to Turkey. So, Turkey's famous folk dance is Hele. So, its name is Hele. See number fourth. Number fourth is, it is a Brazilian music genre and dance style with its roots in Africa via the West African slave trade and African religious traditions. So this is actually the folk dance of Brazil. So its name is Samba. So what is the name of this folk dance? Samba. Brazil's famous folk dance is Samba. See, the next one is number 5. This dance from Egypt is typically a belly dance style that evolved from the tribal areas of the country, and hence is a very much a traditional dance. Actually, it's a typically belly dance and from Egypt. So its name is Beladi. Beladi folk dance of Egypt. So Egypt's famous folk dance is Beladi. Okay. See, the next one is number 6. This step dance evolved from traditional Irish dance and is today quite popular around the world. The dance can be performed wearing either of the two kinds of shoes, hard or soft. The best part is that it can be done solo or in groups. So, what is the name of this dance? Actually, from the Irish word, we can identify it. Its name is Irish step dance, and this is a famous of this is a famous in which country? Ireland. So we can say that, what is the name of this folk dance? Irish step dance. Okay, Ireland's. See, the next one is number 7. Around the 16th century in Taranto, Italy, people broke into a dance to ward off death from the highly poisonous bite of a tarantula spider. They would dance in a frantic and hysterical fashion to fast music, and this is which what later came to be known as the name of this dance. Okay, so by the name of tarantula spider, this dance also name is tarantella. Okay, so what is the name of this folk dance? Tarantella. And this is the famous of which country? Italy. Okay, remember this. See, the next one is number 8. For the Cubans, this is more than just a dance. It is a part of their tradition and social life. The grooves, the steps, and the music make this an entertaining dance and one that has been adapted in various other countries too. Actually, this is related to Cubans. So, its name we can say that. So, its name is Casino. Cuba. Cubans means it is related to the Cuba, and its name is Casino because it is related to music. So, Casino. So, this folk dance is name is Casino and it's related to Cuba. Cuba's famous folk dance is Casino. Okay. See, the next one is number 9. This is Malaysia's most popular traditional dance with an upbeat tempo performed by couples who combine fast, graceful movements with playful humor. It has its origin in Portuguese folk dance, which was introduced to Malacca during the era of the spice trade. So, what is the famous folk dance of this? Actually, it is related to Malaysia. So its name is Joget. Okay, it is a couple dance. So its name is Joget. Joget, and it relates to Malaysia. See last number 10. It is a typical Geo tribe dance performed to celebrate important events in Adet. The song lyric in Saman dance uses Geo languages of Indonesia. So, what is the name of this dance? Actually, this is a famous folk dance of Indonesia and its name is Sama dance. Okay. So, Sama is a folk dance of Indonesia. So, remember the name of the folk dances of different countries. So, this we have completed the different folk dances of different countries, chapter number 31. Now, see the chapter number 32. Here are the different sports stadium. Okay. So, in this chapter, we'll learn about the stadium of different countries. Okay. So, in various countries, what is the name of the different stadiums? Okay. So, we know that what is the meaning of a stadium? Stadium, ka plural stadium or stadia is a place or venue for outdoor sports. Okay. Or concerts or other events and consist of a field or stage either partly or completely surrounded by a tiered structure designed to allow spectators to stand or sit and view the event. Okay. So stadium is a place, we can say that it is a venue for outdoor sports, concerts or events. Or we can say that this is this place is totally, partly, completely surrounded by a structure designed to allow spectators to stand or sit and view the event. Okay, understood the meaning of a stadium? Now see, here are a list of stadiums of various countries. First, we'll study about the stadiums of Australia. See, here are some stadiums that are present in Australia. So, the first is Adelaide Oval. This is present in Adelaide. Telstra Dome. This is in Melbourne. Marara Cricket Ground. It is in Darwin. Sydney Cricket Ground in Sydney. Budberg Drum Stadium in Cairns. Monuka Oval in Canberra. Melbourne Cricket Ground in Melbourne. WACA Ground in Perth. So these are the stadiums of Australia. See the next stadiums of Bangladesh. So Bangladesh, it is Bangabandhu National Stadium in Dhaka. Bangabandhu, that we can say that. And Chittagong Stadium in Chittagong. Next is stadium in England. So Edgbaston in Birmingham. Lords in London. Sophia Gardens in Cardiff. The Brit Oval in London. Headingley in Leeds. Old Trafford in Manchester. St. Lawrence Ground in Cattenburg. Trent Bridge in Nottingham. Next stadium in India. See the stadiums of India. Baravati Stadium in Cuttack. Barakutullah Khan Stadium in Jodhpur. Barabon Stadium in Mumbai. Eden Garden in Kolkata. Firoz Shah Kotla in Delhi. Gandhi Stadium in Jalandhar. Green Park in Kanpur. Indira Gandhi Stadium in Vijayawada, Rajiv Gandhi Port Silver Jubilee Stadium in Vishakhapatnam, Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in New Delhi, Lal Bahadur Shastri Stadium in Hyderabad, M. Chinnaswamy Stadium in Bangalore, M.A. Chidambaram Stadium in Chennai, Madhavrao Sindhya Cricket Ground in Rajkot, Moinullah Stadium in Patna, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Motra Stadium in Ahmedabad, Savai Mansingh Stadium in Jaipur, Vidarbha CA Ground in Nagpur, Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai. Next is Stadium in New Zealand, Basin Reserve in Wellington, Jeddah Stadium in Christchurch, MC McLaren Park is Nipper, Eden Park in Auckland, John Davies Oval in Queenstown. Stadium of Pakistan, see the stadiums of Pakistan, Arbab Niaz Stadium in Peshawar, Gaddafi Stadium in Lahore, Ayub National Stadium in Quetta. Stadium of South Africa's Kingsmead in Durban, Newlands in Cape Town, Centurion Supersport Park in Pretoria, New Vendor Stadium in Johannesburg, St. George Park in Port Elizabeth. Stadiums of Sri Lanka, Colombo Cricket Club Ground in Colombo. Then second is P. Saravanmantu Stadium in Colombo, Sinhal's Sport Club Ground in Colombo, Gale International Stadium in Gale, R. Premadasa Stadium in Colombo. Stadiums in West Indies, Sabina Park, Kingston in Jamaica, Antigua Recreation Ground, St. John's, Antigua, Guyana Cricket Stadium, Georgetown in Guyana, Kangstone Oval Bridgetown in Barbados, Window Phillip Park Castries in St. Lucia, Albion Sports Complex, Barry-Bice in Guyana. Stadiums of Zimbabwe, Bulawayo Athletic Club in Bulawayo, Kwekwe Sports Club in Kwekwe, Harare Sports Club in Harare, Queen Sports Club in Bulawayo. Stadium in United Arab Emirates, so Sheikh Zayed Stadium, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah Stadium, Cricket Stadium, Sharjah. Okay, so these are the famous sports stadiums of different countries. See the next chapter related to the directors of Hollywood. So which movie we have to write down the name of the directors from the Hollywood movie. So here are some pictures of the directors and the movie name is also written here. You have to write down the name of the directors. Okay. So first, see the first picture. This is the name of Jaws and movie name is Jaws and the name of the director is Steven Spielberg. Okay. And second is the name of the movie is Dark Knight and its director name is Christopher Nolan. Third is Kill Bill. Its director name is Quentin Branchica. Okay. Tarantino. Quentin Tarantino. Okay. So first name is Steven Spielberg. Second director name is the movie of the Dark Knight, Christopher Nolan. Third, the movie is Kill Bill. So its director's name is Quentin Tarantino. The fourth movie is Titanic. So Titanic movie's director is James Cameron. Fifth movie is New York. So its director name is Martin. So its name is Martin Scorsese. Okay. Martin Scorsese. Sixth name is The Godfather. So the Godfather's movies, its director is Francis Ford Coppola. Seventh movie name is Eraserhead. So Eraserhead, So its director name is David Lynch. And the last movie is Star Wars. So Star Wars, its director name is George Lucas. So these are the names, the directors of different Hollywood movies. Okay, so remember this also. I can ask the question, who is the director of the movie Titanic? So you can write down James Cameron. So like that I'll ask the question from this chapter. Next chapter is, this is related to the top 10 most popular sports in the world. Only you have to learn the name of the top 10 sports. Okay. Number first is soccer. Okay, it is related to the football. Second, and you have to learn the ranking also. So first is soccer association with football. Second is cricket. Third is basketball, field hockey, tennis, volleyball, table tennis, baseball, American football, rugby, and golf. Okay, and in which reason these are very popular? So soccer and association football is Europe, Africa, Asia, America. Cricket in Asia, Australia, UK. And this basketball is the US, Canada, China, and the Philippines. Field hockey, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia. Tennis, Europe, America, and Asia. Volleyball, Asia, Europe, America, and Australia. Table tennis, Asia, Europe, Africa, and Americans. Baseball, US, Japan, Cuba, and the Dominican Republic. American football, rugby, USA mainly France, England, New Zealand, South Africa. Golf, Europe, Asia, America, and Canada. Okay, so only you have to learn the 10 most popular sports in the world. That is only. Okay, don't need to learn in which reason these are popular. Only remember which one is famous in India. That's it. Okay. So these chapters you have to prepare it properly, watch the video carefully, and complete in your notebook. Okay. So thank you and have a nice